The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Myself, S.Salwa, and my friend M.Reshma Banu from 1st BSc Computer Science C section, Kaveri College for Women, Autonomous, Tiruchi. Now we are going to present an e-content about selection control statement in Python. We are going to tell about introduction and types of selection control statements. There are 4 types of selection control statement: the if statement, if-else statement, nested if statement, and if-elif else statement. Introduction about selection control statement. The selection control statement is also known as decision control statement. The decision control statement jumps from one part of the code to another depending on whether a particular condition is satisfied or not, to execute statements selectively based on certain decisions. The if statement. It is one of the simplest form of decision control statement. It is frequently used in decision making. It is based on the value of given Boolean expression. The if structure may include one statement or n statements enclosed within the if block. Syntax and its construct. Here is the example and its output. The if-else statement. The if-else statement is used to execute both true part and the false part of a given condition. The test expression is evaluated, and if the result is true, the statements followed by the expression is executed. Else, if the expression is false, the statement is skipped by the compiler. In such cases, we use an if-else statement rather than using simple if statement. Syntax and its construct. Here is the example and its output.
The nested if statement. A statement that contains other statement is called a compound statement. To perform more complex checks, if statement can be nested, that is, can be placed one inside the other. In such a case, the inner if statement is the statement part of the outer one. Nested if statement are used to check if more than one condition is satisfied. Syntax and its construct. Here is the example and its output. The if-elif else statement. The if-elif else construct works in the same way as usual if-else statement. The if-elif else construct is also known as nested if construct. It is not necessary that every if statement should have an else block, as Python supports simple if statement also. After the first test expression or the first if branch, the programmer can have as many elif branches as he wants depending on the expressions that have to be tested. A series of if-elif statement can have final else block, which is called if none of the if or elif expression is true. Syntax and its construct. Here is the example and its output. Thank you.